Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see method hiding in C#. First we will see why method hiding is required. Method hiding. Need of method hiding. When child class don't want to use some of the methods implementation of parent class but want to implement it for its own. In this way, to redefine the method, at that time, method hiding is useful or required. Suppose there is a method in parent class, but the child class want to implement the same method according to its requirement. At that time, method hiding is required. In overriding, parent class declare the method as virtual and gives permission to child class to redefine the method. But when we want to redefine method without parent class permission and without disturbing parent class method, at that time method hiding is useful. In overriding, parent class give permission to child class for overriding the method because it is declared virtual in parent class. But if when there is no permission of parent class for overriding the method, at that time method hiding is used. In method hiding, the base or parent class method can redefine in child class with new keyword. This is our example for method hiding. We have parent class or base class juice shop and there are methods shop name and special menu. We have child class or derived class juice menu. Now we want this method to implement in child class. In method hiding, the base or parent class method can be defined in child class with new keyword. So we use new keyword here. Here with object we access this method. Now we get the output. This is the relax juice center. Strawberry juice is our special menu. Now for this method, the implementation is redefined in child class. If we give new here, we get the error. Member modifier new must precede the member type and name. So it must be before void. Why call it as method hiding? When we create the object of child or derived class and call the method, at that time instead of calling base class method, child class hide base class method and call its own method. With using new keyword, child class implements its own method and in this way hides base class method. If we comment here, this is Relax Juice Center. Mango juice is our special menu. Now, even though base class has not given any permission to child class to implement the same method, but with using new keyword, child class redefine the same method. In this way, this method hide. In this way, hiding of this method of base class happens. So it is called as method hiding. This is a Relax Juice Center. Strawberry juice is our special menu. Here we cannot see mango juice is our special menu. In this way, hiding of this method of base class happened here. If there is no use of new keyword at the time of creating child class method, then there will be warning by compiler. But even after that warning, if we try to run program will run successfully. If we remove this new keyword, then we can see here juice menu special menu hides inherited member juice shop special menu. Use the new keyword if hiding was intended. This is the warning by compiler. If we run the program, this is Relax Juice Center. Strawberry juice is our special menu. We get the same output without any error. But if we use new here, compiler understand that method hiding is intentional. So to avoid complexity, it is always good practice to use new keyword. If we try to use override keyword, then there will be error and at that time program will not run properly. Here there is no virtual keyword. If we try to write override here, now we get the error. Cannot override inherited member because it is not marked virtual abstract or override. And if we try to run, we get the same error. So we cannot use override keyword here. In method hiding, a parent class reference variable pointing to a child class object will invoke the hidden method in the parent class. Parent class reference variable pointing to child class. Now we give here parent class reference variable. So here juice shop j, and here now this is parent class reference variable pointing to child class object. If we run this, This is Relax Juice Center. Mango juice is our special menu. So the hidden method of parent class is invoked. So that's all for method hiding in C Sharp. Thanks for watching.